This is a quick guide for the beginning of the video. The main leg is this leg right here. You're shifting your entire body weight from side to side like this. And as your heels move apart, you lift this leg into the air. And what you're basically doing, this leg is very light and you're kind of jumping. And then at the very end, you do a little bit of a twist. So you're going like this, and then you do a little bit of a twist at the end. And both of your heels are going to be moving apart from each other when this leg is in the air. And when this leg comes back down, your heels come together to the beat of the music. That's where the beat of the music is. Whenever your heels are apart, that's in between beats. When your heels are together and both feet are on the ground, that's where the beat of the music is. First, what you want to do is you just want to practice on one leg like this. Once you get used to the one side, this being the main leg, you just shift over to this side and then practice your other leg. Then you pause a little bit and then practice this way. And you shift your weight and go to the other leg. Eventually you'll be able to go back and forth while you're practicing. Okay, in order to shift your weight from one side to the other, like this, I'm going to move up here. And what you do here is most of your weight is on this leg, okay? And this leg is really light. And what you do is it's kind of like jumping off of the ground like this, but you're just doing it with one leg, like that. And then once it's off the ground, there's like a little bit of a twist. But for now, just worry on jumping with it, like that. So this is really lightweight, and then all your weight is on this foot. I'm going to try to mash into the ground and make some noise so you can hear it. But most of your body weight goes from here to here, like this. Now, as your heel goes to this circle, this is where the beat of the music is. Whenever this heel goes here, this heel goes downward. So this one's going up and down, this one's going back and forth. And then your heels just kind of click together right there. Click, click, click to the beat of the music. Now, this leg over here, what you can do to help is you don't have to keep it stationary. For shifting your weight, what I want you to do is take even more weight off of this leg, and as you shift your weight on your left leg, I want you to move this foot around, like lift it completely off the ground, like this. Just lift it completely off the ground like that. And then once you get used to doing this, start moving your foot like forward and backward and sideways. So I will move it forward now. Forward, neutral, forward, neutral, forward, neutral. Now I'll go sideways. Sideways, neutral, sideways, neutral, sideways, neutral. And then I'll go backwards. Backwards, neutral, backwards, neutral, backwards, neutral. Now, when shifting your weight, whenever you move sideways like this, I'll move back here. Whenever you move your foot sideways like that, all that's left is to take the leap and then shift your weight from this leg right here over to here. So you're just touching the ground, touch, 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 and then you just shift over there, and then you get this foot and you just go touch, 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 and you just shift your weight over to the other side. So you touch, touch, shift, touch, touch, shift, touch, touch, and then just shift. And that is how you shift your weight. Okay, here it is at half pace. Then I'll go into full pace. In full pace, I feel as though my heels click together at the beat of the music when it touches these circles. I feel like I'm clapping my heels together. See, the beat of the music is where those circles are. You could also do one foot at a time. Like this. It's like so fun that I can't stop dancing. Okay. Leave some comments below down there and tell me how you like this video and suggestions and stuff like that. I plan on making more shuffle videos. I'm trying to learn a whole bunch of different moves, so I'm going to find ways to teach them that are like orderly and logical and stuff. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more stuff. I do a lot more things than just shuffling, so you might see like an astronomy video because I got like some telescopes. I go caving. I have a car that I'm working on right now, like a convertible. So there's a whole bunch of different things that I'm doing on this channel. But thank you for watching